In this video, I'm going to show you how to go in and use the MLA language to create a research paper. Using this document, some of the rules that you should be following for the research paper using the MLA rules is first to go in and make sure that your margins are 1 inch all the way around, and to make sure that your font should be something that's legible. It should be a font size of 12. To go in and change your margins, a quick way to do it is to go to your ruler on the left-hand side of your page. If it's not there, you can go to View and turn the ruler on. All you have to do is double-click in the white area of the ruler and just go in and change your top, bottom, left, and right to 1 inch all the way around. Often the default in Word is 1.25, so you need to change that. Alright, and then just hit OK. Then the next thing you want to go in and do is double space your document. And the easiest way to do it is in your Home tab, go into your paragraph group and go into your line spacing and make it double. Now I'm going to select the whole document first, so I'm going to do a triple click out in the left margin. You can also do a Control A to select the whole thing. And then just go up to your line spacing and pick 2 for double. And the next thing you want to go in and do is add a header to your top of your page. And to go in and do headers, you can go to Insert and go into Header. And I'm going to have a specific header that they want for your layout, so I'm just going to do an Edit Header option. And they want your last name to appear on the right-hand side of the page and have the page number after that. So what I want to do is I can either do right align, or I can just hit tab twice and they have a right align tab already set up in the header. And you're going to type in your name, your last name, hit the space bar, and you're going to add in the page number. So I'm going to just click on the page number button and tell it to go into the current position, and I just want a plain number. And that puts it into the document. Then the next thing I want to do is close out of the header, so I either want to come down and double click in the body or hit the close header button. You also want to make sure that your header is a 1/2 inch from the top of your page, which is the default for the MLA. I'm going to close out of that. If you made a mistake and you need to get back in the header, quickest and easiest way to do is just double click in it, and then you can double click in here to get out of the header to get back into your main document again. Now, also at the top of your document, I need to add a space when I hit enter at the beginning of it, and then move back up on the blank line. And because my top heading was centered, I need to go back to align left. And what they want on the top of your page is your name, your instructor's name, the name of the course, and the date. And I would suggest that if you're not going to print this out today and you want to have the current date on it, I would go into the Insert tab, go to Quick Parts, and go to Field, and in the list find date in the field. And if you want the you can pick whatever date format you want. And I would go in and tell it to, because it's doing it as a code, it's going to update automatically for you. So that's all I need to do, and hit OK. And when you click on the date, you'll see it's a field, and it's going to update automatically. So when you go to print it out and hand it in, it will have the current date on it. So this is the beginning page of your document in your research paper.